That lovely sunshine. Look at that. Lovely sunshine.
Nice day. I told you we can
Nice
go
day.
grab it.
What's that?
You went, oh, who's that?
Pair of gloves.
Oh, look.
Who's that? That's I think it's like a Remembrance Sunday thingy. Right, come on.
Yeah, the person's been down.
Come on. Let's go down the end. Down, come on. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one. There's another person.
Yeah, it's to remember the people that went in the war. And you got two over there.
Also, from the one person at the war hasn't died. This one person hasn't.
Who's that then?
Oh, this one hasn't got a person.
No, they've not got seats for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Go on.
No, no, going down.
Alright, see you then.
Where's this train going?
What?
Where's it going?
Birmingham. You can count the carriages. I reckon
Huh?
4. Oh god, what a lovely day. It's gonna be sunshine all day today.
Where's the train coming from?
Oh, we just have to wait here because it'll be here any minute. 12 o'clock and there's 2 at 1 o'clock, but we're not waiting an hour. We're gonna go home then, and then we'll do some model railway bits.
I don't want to go home by then.
Is the train coming now? Right, let's just pause this and wait for the train to... I know I've done millions of Chirk Castle, what am I on about? I know I've done millions of Chirk train station videos, but keeps you happy, keeps your mental health at bay. Do whatever you want. It makes you happy, don't matter what other people think. I was going to say that when I was doing my model railway. I like doing my model railway, like, people might think it's a bit rubbish, but it keeps you happy. That's the main thing, you, not other people.
Throw it.
Oh yeah, there's little helicopter-y thingies.
Yeah, you can throw it.
Do you see it actually did spin around then?
Yeah, it does.
Don't go too near the edge. Go over there. I used to play with them in my primary school. And we used to play conkers as well. You know what conkers are, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Because I went to Ellesmere Chirk Train.
Oh.
Next to the school by Aikland.
See, back in my day, yes, I know you're a new one, but back in my day in secondary school, year 7, the biggest craze back then were yo-yos. We all had yo-yos, literally, and we were all doing the triangle thingy and walking the dog on the floor.
What is a triangle thing?
Oh, it's like a yo-yo trick. See, back in my day, we didn't have mobile phones. We were playing with yo-yos and... Here we go. Oh, it's a 150. Oh, that's it. Just one. It's not often you see that very here. Let's go and speak to the driver then. You say hello. You say hello to him then. Yeah. You're right. There we go. Just say hello then. Yeah. You're right. Oh, lovely sunny day, isn't it? Right. We'll go and ask quickly then before you go. Ask then quickly.
You did that.
Yeah. Right, stand back then. Ready to do the horn for you. You watch him go then. Right, ready? Ah, there's only a little one. There we go. You can hardly hear that. I know it's not that often you see But it's not often that I see 150s come down here. Sometimes they're attached to 158s. There we go.
No,
Right, let's go and do some
it's not-
Hornby
it's not
model
one,
railway then.
it's two.
I know it's 2 carriages.
But you saw one.
Yeah, alright.